Okay.
All right, folks, so we do this most Fridays. They get 1 minute each. We normally have 3 contestants, and we have 3 this morning. And Mr. Weber Dean is one of our judges. Thank you for that. Ever been in any one of these contests as a young singer?
No, I don't think so. Looks like fun, though.
Well, we will find out. Castro de Bigadan is the first contestant.
Morning, blessed love, you know. We are like ambitious people, you know, want to just keep focused in life, you know what I mean? Never bed, believe. Get to youth have to reach far, you know what I mean? Ambition are the key. Limit is the sky. Me growing at the concrete jungle, but still have to be patient and humble. Me want rich like Brian Gumble, but if you exalt, you will stumble. Every youth go through a fears, but work hard the hard of the day. So if you work, you must get paid. As a guide the way. Never be ungrateful, all when the plate full. Get the youth, stand firm as a warrior. Them can't break down the barrier. We work hard, put in the work it hard. Me want money fi go back on me yard.
All right, Castro de Bigadan. What do you think, sir? Out of 5?
3.
All right, there you go. Sim?
I'm going to go 3.5.
3.5. All right, so 6.5.
Slimo.
Slimo Edifier? Edifier. Slimo Edifier. Something interesting there. Round the track.
Jamaica, world settings. Hear me? Full time we have things and live nice, don't things, yo, things nothing have me. Me want money enough like leaf and tree. If you have things, who pull me out a lime tree. Big boat dep on the lime key. Man, fi have things, yo, things nothing have me. Me want money enough like leaf and tree. If you have things, who pull me out a lime tree. Big boat dep on the lime key. Man, fi have things, evil a ride or a drive. Big house on the hill where I survive. Man, fi have things, two pretty son with a wife, them can't stop Slimmer from strive. Man, fi have things, see they in a foreign me arrive. Some car me never dream, see me a drive. Man, fi have things, yo, in a the money me a dive. Rasta clean, you know me laps no carry lies. Man, fi have things, yo, things no fi happy. Me want money enough like leaf and tree. Fi have things, who pull me out a life.
Yeah. Man, fi have things. Slimo Edifier.
3.5.
3.5, all right.
I'm going reverse now, I'm going 3.
All right, 6.5 again. And our final contestant, Jayouth.
Yeah, only money will I. Selassie I Joe.
Rastafari. Live will reign to the heart of our flesh. Cleansing us of the chant. Left mile bull bay, well done. A cleansiness, you know. Go shy crowd. Yeah. Just live it up, get to youth and come clean. You see, righteousness exalt the nation. You don't like righteousness, you're gonna perish. Alright? Yo. Live clean. That's the way to go. Blessed Lord. That we need to show. Live clean. That's the way to go. Teach you get to youth and where they grow. We have to live clean. That's the way to go. Blessed Lord. That we need to show. Live clean. That's the way to go. Teach you get to youth and where they grow. Well, we need love, cause love is a solution. We need love, to solve the wicked man's problem. Get to you love and leave out corruption. Although we go through trials and tribulation, just keep the faith and stretch forth your leg.
All right, Jayouth.
2.
2, yeah.
2.5.
2.5. All right, so that's 4.5. So somebody has to break the tie. It's either Castro de Bigadan or Slimo Edifier. They both have 6.5, so somebody has to break the tie.
What do you say?
I say Castro.
You say Castro was the
Me
first?
too.
All right, so Castro de Bigadan is the winner of Rollout, and he will take us out. Yeah, man.
All right, we're going.
Thanks again. When you perform again on Sunday?
Sunday.
And it's
yes.
in Kentcott. We can't remember the name.
Don't remember the name of the place,
Yeah,
but
in Kentcott. Great to meet you.
Thank you.
And,
Great to be here. Thanks for having me.
Yeah, man, and thanks for passing through and helping us out with
Indeed.
rollout. Come back and see us again.
Indeed, we will.
All right, that's it, folks. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great weekend. We have Weekend Smile tomorrow. Starts at 8 o'clock. And you'll see us again on Monday. Join us at 6 o'clock. Y'all be safe. Castro, the bigger Dan, will take us out.
Blessed love, smile, Jamaica. I say big up the whole center and the whole northeast movement, you know what I mean? Tuggy youth, grandma. I say look out for the mixtape, you know, and tune in on YouTube, see if you check out Castro the bigger Dan, go for my own. Recently shoot a video, you know what I mean? Well, alright. Me grow in the concrete jungle, but still have to be patient and humble. Me want reach like Brian Gumble, but if you exalt, you will stumble. Every youth go through a fears, but work at the end of the day. So if you work, you must get paid. A job guide the way. Never be ungrateful, all when you play it full. Get your youth, stand firm as a warrior. Them can't break down the barrier. We work hard, put in the work it hard. Me want money fi go back on me hard, hard, hard. Every day we gone from the 9 to 5. Half the hustle hard just to stay alive. No money nah run fi upon a rise. Pocket them dry, lord, it no nice. Cross diesel every day the same sitting.